Hi, so this is Easterling Amanda with another video. Today, in this video, we're going to try two different new snacks. Now, I went to 7-Eleven with my baby and our friends, and we were looking, searching and hunting for new snacks to see what they might possibly have. So, in this video, we're going to be trying two different ones. They're both from one same brand, but we're trying two. So what are they? Rice Krispies treat snack crackle poppers. One is chocolate, and the other is cookies and cream. Now, since the chocolate one is already open, because my babe tried it and he liked it, so I'm about to be the next one to try it. Okay, to give these a taste, I'm gonna open up this pack real quick. You can look for these. You can find these at 7-Eleven because that's where we got them from. Okay, you smell it? Ooh, very chocolatey. The name speaks for itself. So this one is cookies and cream, and this one is chocolate. Since chocolate is the one already open, we are going to taste that one first, and then we will taste the cookies and cream. So, I want to at least have the bag open. Okay. I'm going to take one, two. These are what they look like. Little tiny little Krispies treat with chocolate covered in it. It's really, really good. So, it's time to taste the chocolate one now. Here goes. Ooh. Wow, this tastes good. If you want my baby like them. A little more. These taste like a chocolate cake. Like a little miniature chocolate cake. This is delicious. I like them. I know I would, but these are much better than I thought they'd be. So, here, baby, the chocolate. So two. Let's have another one. Alright. That was good. And now, the next one we're gonna try is cookies and cream. Let's get this one open. Ooh, that smells good. See, that's what they look like. This is the cookies and cream one. It smells so good. I can't wait to dig into it. Here goes. Wow. Really good. Oh, wow. Okay. Babe. Okay. One. Where do I even begin? I'll start by saying this. These were delicious. The flavor of the Rice Krispies treat is very explosive. It's like bursting with cookies and cream flavor. So this was definitely my first hand-picked one to choose between this one and the chocolate. If I had to choose which one I like, definitely it's the Rice Krispies treat with the cookies and cream, because this one, yeah, the chocolate was good. I'm not gonna lie, the chocolate was good. This one is good too. But the difference is that this one was a lot more explosive in flavor than chocolate. So I definitely like this one a lot more. I'm glad I picked this one. So if you had to choose between the two once you taste it, let me know in the comments below which one do you like better. And thank you guys so much for watching. This is Easterling Amanda saying bye, guys. And both of them I rate a perfect 10. So, you guys have a good day. See you later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.